Hello and welcome. This is Abdullah Shajib from Silent Provision. In today's video, we will gonna explore the whole WordPress dashboard in short. So let's jump into our video. So firstly, we have to open our XAMPP control panel, and after opening the XAMPP control panel, we have to start our Apache and MySQL module. After starting those, minimize that and go to new tab and type localhost / your database name, as I wrote my database name WordPress, so that's why I have wrote WordPress, and click on WP admin and click enter. After clicking enter, you will see login area and put your username and password as well and click on login. Ta-da! You are successfully logged into your WordPress dashboard. After logging to your dashboard, you will see the top left of corner the about WordPress and WordPress.org. So here you will learn about WordPress and you can see their official WordPress website and learn about them from WordPress.org. And if you want to read their documentation, you will see their full documentation from there. And if you need any official support from them, you can get support from there. And if you want to leave any feedback to WordPress, you can leave any feedback from there. And after that, you will see this area. If you click on this into new tab, you will see your website. So initially our website is look like that. No worries, we will create any types of website whenever we finished our playlist. So let's go back to our dashboard. Here you will see this icon. If you have any comments into your any blog post, you will see those from there. And after that, you will see this area. If you want to create any new blog post or new media file or new page, you can add them from there. Also, you can add new user from there. After that, the right hands of your side, you will see this area, and here you can create this name. You will see your profile and you can select your dashboard color from there. Also, you can add your profile as like you want, and after that you will update your profile if you want. After that, you will see the profile. You can edit your profile from there. Also, you can log out from there. Okay, so what is this? This is the official announcement from WordPress. They warm welcomed you to WordPress. So we don't need this at this time, that's why we dismiss them. Suppose you are a blogger, or instantly you have an idea and you need to quickly draft it. That's why this quick draft is just for you. And here you will see at a glance, no need this one, and here you can see your activity. And this is WordPress events and news from WordPress official. So initially we don't need those anyone. That's why we click on screen option and uncheck those from our dashboard. Here you can see a clean dashboard, which is we really need. So let's move on updates. What can you do from there? Here you can see your websites all updated. Like if your website needs plugins updates or anything, you will see those from there and monitor from there. After that, you will see posts. Under post, area you will see all posts. Suppose you have a lot of posts, you will see all of those from there. And if you want to add a new post, you can click on there and you can add a new post from there. And if you want to categorize your post, you will categorize them as your wish, and you will give them a lot of tags as you see as you need. After post, you will see the media area. So media library, under library you will see all of your website's contents like pictures, videos and audio from there. And if you want to add new pictures, video or audio, you can add them from there as well. And you will see all pages, all of your website's pages from there. And if you want to add or create a new page, you can add new page from there. What's the comment? Well, if your post have a lot of comment, or if anyone comment on your any post, you will see those comments from there. Under the appearance, you will see your installed themes from there, and you can edit your theme file from there. Everything we will learn step by step, no worries. And after appearance, you will see plugins area. Here you can see your all installed plugins, and if you want to add a new plugins, you can add them from there. After that, you will see the user area. Here you can monitor, as you are an admin, you can monitor all users. You can give them a new role. From there, you also add a new user. Also, you can see your own profile. After that, you will see the tools area. Here you can see your all available tools. You can import any tools or export. You also see from there your site health, or you can export your personal data from there or erase personal data from there. Also, you can see, if you want to see your theme file editor, you can edit your theme file from there. After that, you will also edit your plugin file from there. After that, you will see the settings area. Here you can set your website as you want, and after that you will create any types of website. So that's all for today. Stay connected and stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.